How's it going, guys? So after you have successfully installed the Unreal Engine 5 and its components, when you open it for the first time, the first things or the set of things you see are self-explanatory. And are very easy to understand. The first option is game, followed by film and video. I love the outlay. This is really cool, and it is good for VFX artists and also cinematographers. Even CGI artists shouldn't be left out. Next is the architecture. Menu, and this particular interface helps with ArchViz and design of architectural structures in real time. And moving away from that, the next thing you have is the automotive and product design alongside simulation. The good news is simple. Even if you don't have the programming knowledge or not even familiar with the C++ programming language, you can work with the blueprint option. So in my next video, I promise to give you an in-depth knowledge of the C++ programming language and its alternative being the blueprint. But if you have to use C++, you must install the compiler and also install the Visual Studio Code, maybe 2022. I think 2022 is the most recent as at the time of recording this video. Apart from the fact that Unreal Engine gives you an inbuilt catalog or interface like the first person where the model holds the gun and all you see is the gun and not the model, and other templates like the third person or the top-down view. This actually makes your workflow to be easy, and it will save you a lot of stress if you follow that template. Unreal Engine also has the template for creation of virtual reality games, and let's not forget that virtual reality game and its assets are currently booming in the global market. There you go. For a start, these are all what you need to kick off with the Unreal Engine with zero C++ knowledge or an in-depth knowledge of C++. And if you love this guide, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.